We'll guide you through how to fix auto rotation on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone, and you're finding that auto rotation isn't working. This can be really annoying because perhaps you're in the messages, you're in Safari, and you're finding you can't go and rotate the screen. This can be really annoying. For example, the same thing applies in photos as well. I find rotating can make it much easier to go and browse certain websites, but also to go and type, because when you go and rotate, it goes and makes the keyboard much bigger and it makes it easier to go and type. There are different reasons why you may want to go and rotate, so we're going to guide you through how you can go and fix this. First of all, it just is important to note that auto rotation isn't available on all apps or areas on your iPhone. For example, you can't actually go and rotate on the home screen. That's just not a feature. But it is important to note that if you're finding you can't go and rotate in apps like Safari, Photos, Messages, and more, that's a sign that auto rotation isn't working, because you can definitely go and be able to go and usually be able to go and rotate. So we're going to guide you through some different things you can try doing in order to go and fix this. Watch this full guide, and then any further ado, let's get into this. So first of all, we need to make sure the orientation lock is turned off. So there's a lock where we can go and lock our iPhone in a certain mode, whether that is horizontal or vertical, portrait or landscape. So at the moment, this is locked in vertical or portrait, because when we go and open it up, you can see it's stuck like this. So what we can do is go and open the control center by dragging down on the battery in the top right. And the icon we're looking for is this one here. As you can see, it's got a padlock icon and it's highlighted. If I go and tap on it, and then go and say portrait orientation lock is off. So now if I go and open up, for example, Safari, I can go and rotate it, as you can see. I can do the same thing in Messages as well. Open it up and I can go and rotate it, and it makes the keyboard much bigger. If you're finding it still isn't working, don't worry, we've got another fix, and we're going to try doing a forced restart, as this often goes and refreshes things. We go and do this with button shortcuts. We can go and press volume increase, decrease, and then tap and hold the side button, like so. Now what you want to do is go and keep this held down like this. The screen will go black, but you only release it when you go and see the Apple icon. So as you can see, I just released it there. Now it's going to go and turn back on. This process shouldn't go and take too long. I do find the newer iPhones are much quicker with starting again, but just be patient. Hopefully now auto rotation is going to be working.